How many systems are working in our body?
There are many systems working in our body. They are digestive system, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system.
Good. Which organs are used for these senses?
These organs are eye, nose, hair, and skin.
Good. Now, name 5 senses present in our body.
They are hearing, tasting, seeing, touching, and smelling.
How many senses are present in our body and what are their function?
Our body have 5 senses and they are full of serving our surrounding.
Good. What do you know about circulatory system?
It is system by which material circulate which in blood throughout the body.
Good. What is the difference between artery and veins?
Arteries take the blood away from and heart and all over body. The vein gives blood back to the heart.
What is excretory system?
It is a system by which organs are organ out of our body.
Good. What do you know about nervous system?
All the system in our body are nervous system by the quality.